Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Resin Beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I will bring for you beautiful resin color combination ideas just like that. Today I am making with silver flags and red color with color glitter. Beautiful pen with beautiful color combination, silver and white. Very beautiful color combination idea. You can also try and make it just like that with the help of epoxy resin. Very useful art, resin art. Very easy to make. Very interesting things. Interesting hobby. You can gift it with your loved ones. I am making it for my client. Very lovely, beautiful color. I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for watching. Very beautiful pens. Thank you.